In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil pressure sensor in this Toyota Prius. It's above the oil filter in the front of the engine. I'm going to disconnect the connector. Just want to push down on the tab. There we go. Slide it off. Using a 24mm socket, just go over the sensor. And twist the sensor out. Take the new switch, put a little pipe sealer on the threads. Slide it in position. Get that started by hand. It's a little tight in there. If you can get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque this to 11 foot-pounds. Otherwise, do the best you can. That's good. Take the connector and line it up. Lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.